Hello friends and welcome to our channel Target Jam. Today we will discuss about electromeric effect, inductomeric effect, field effect and time variable effect. After discussing about these effects, we will also practice some MCQ series. Let's start the tutorial. Electromeric effect refers to a molecular polarizability effect occurring by an intramolecular electron displacement. Remember this term, intramolecular electron displacement, characterized by the substitution of one electron pair for another within the same atomic octet of the electrons. See this example. In this molecule, the ethylene molecule's pi electron pair transmission occur in presence of H plus ion and the displacement occur within the same molecule. In this example, the pi electron displacement occur in presence of Cn minus as the nucleophilic agent. Electromagnetic effect is often considered along with the inductive effect as a type of electron displacement effect. There are some differences between inductive effect and electromagnetic effect. Inductive effect involves transmission of sigma 1 electrons, whereas electromagnetic effect involves transmission of pi 1 electrons. Inductive effect is a permanent effect, whereas electromagnetic effect is a temporary effect. In case of inductive effect, there is no need of attacking reagents, but in case of electromagnetic effect, the effect operates in presence of the attacking reagents. Like inductive effect, the electromagnetic effect also two types, that is plus E and minus E. In case of plus E effect, it is the breaking of non-polar double bond. See here in the ethyl molecule, it is a non-polar molecule, so it has non-polar pi bond. That means the plus E effect means breaking of non-polar double bond or triple bond in presence of attacking reagent as a electrophile. In this example, H plus proton acts as a electrophilic agent, and in case of minus I effect, the breaking of polar double bond or triple bond in presence of attacking reagent as a nucleophile. In this example, the aldehyde pi bond is a polar double bond, and the breaking of this pi bond occurs by the attacking reagent Cn minus as a nucleophilic agent. Now, inductomeric effect. Inductomeric effect is a temporary effect and takes place in sigma bonded system. In presence of attacking reagent, transfer of sigma electron cloud takes place more readily. See in this example, normally Cl minus chlorine is the more electronegative than carbon, so it attracts the sigma bonded electrons towards itself. But in presence of OH minus, the CCl bond distance increases and the sigma bond electrons more transfer towards the chlorine. That means in methyl chloride, the minus I effect of the set is further increased temporarily by the approach of hydroxyl ion. And inductive effect is a temporary effect, operates with sigma bond electrons and operates in presence of attacking reagents, and temporarily increases the magnitude of inductive effect. So the relationship between inductive effect and inductomeric effect is that inductomeric is a temporary effect and it temporarily increases the inductomeric effect. Okay. Field effect. Field effect basically electron displacement from a rich atom to a electron deficient atom, and that displacement occur through space or through solvent molecule, and it is possible when the two functional groups are in close to each other. See in this example, the chlorine and the carbonyl oxygen both are in a close proximity, so electron displacement occur from one atom to the another through the space, and these two non-equivalent carbon groups are there due to this displacement, And in case of IR spectrum, the two peaks observed for this two non-equivalent carbon and carbon. Time variable effect. Electron transmission occurring in the excited state or in presence of external reagent is known as time variable effect. This effect ceases to operate if the molecule is brought back to the ground state or external reagent is removed. That means all the time variable effects are temporary effect, and the effect stops, ceases means stops to operate if the molecule is brought back to the ground state. This electromagnetic or inductomagnetic effect or field effect, these all are time variable effect. Now we are entering to the MCQ practice series. Question 1. Electromagnetic effect involves transmission of which type of electrons? Sigma electrons, pi electrons, delta electrons, or lone pair of electrons? Electromagnetic effect involves which type of electrons? Choose the right answer among these four options: sigma, pi, delta, and lone pair. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option B, that is electromagnetic effect involves pi bond electrons. We have seen it. There are two types of electromagnetic effect, plus E and minus E, and all of them involves the transmission of pi bond electrons. Question 2. Electromagnetic effect involves generation of no charge or partial charge or unit charge, or it varies from compound to compounds. Electromagnetic effect involves generation of either no charge or partial charge or unit charge, or varies from compound to compound. Choose the correct one. We are now moving to check the answer key, and the right option is option C, that is it involves the generation of unit charge. See, in this example, plus 1 is the unit charge, plus 1 is 1 unit. Similarly, in case of minus E effect, minus 1 is the 1 unit. Question 3. Electromagnetic effect occurs in presence of which type of reagents? Electrophilic, nucleophilic, Lewis acid or base, or all the above? I am repeating, electromagnetic effect occurs in presence of which types of reagents? Electrophilic, nucleophilic, Lewis acid or base, or all the above? Choose the correct one. We are now moving to check the answer key, and the right option is option D, that is all the above. This is because basically Lewis acid or Lewis base, they also act as a electrophilic or nucleophilic reagents. Question 4. Choose the correct statement about electromagnetic effect. Option A. Plus E effect is the breaking of non-polar double bond or triple bond in presence of electrophile. Option B. Plus E effect is the breaking of polar double bond or triple bond in presence of electrophile. Option C. Plus E effect is the breaking of non-polar double bond or triple bond in presence of nucleophile. Option D. Plus E effect is the breaking of non-polar double bond or triple bond in presence of nucleophile. Choose the correct statement about electromagnetic effect. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option E, that is plus E effect is the breaking of non-polar double bond or triple bond in presence of electrophile. See, in this example, plus E effect, here non-polar double bond is this pi bond is non-polar, and breaking occurs in presence of H plus as the electrophilic reagent. Question 5. Which of the following groups can show minus E effect? CCl, C double bond C, C triple bond C, or CO? Which one can show minus E effect? Choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option D, that is CO. See this example, the Cn minus, the nucleophile attacks the carbon, and this is the minus E effect, minus E. Question 6. Which of the following is a temporary effect brought into play at the requirement of a attacking reagent? inductive effect, mesomeric effect, electromeric effect, or resonance effect. Among these four options, which one is a temporary effect and brought into play at the requirement of attacking reagents? Choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option C, that is electromeric effect. Question 7. Select the correct statement from the following option. When multiple bonds are present between two different atoms, electromagnetic shift occurs towards the more electronegative atom takes place. Option B. When multiple bonds are present between two similar atoms, the first possibility is symmetric alkenes or alkynes. Option C. When multiple bonds are present between two similar atoms, the second possibility is asymmetric alkenes or alkynes, or all the above mentioned. I am repeating, select the correct statement about the following option. Option A. When multiple bonds are present between two different atoms, electromeric shift towards more electronegative atom takes place. Option B. When multiple bonds are present between two similar atoms, the first possibility is symmetric alkene or alkynes. Option C. When multiple bonds are present between two similar atoms, the second possibility is asymmetric alkenes or alkynes. Option D. All of the mentioned. Choose the correct statement. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option D, that is all the above mentioned are true statement. This is because in case of polar bond, so here the multiple bond between carbon and oxygen, they are two different atoms and the electron displacement occur towards the more electronegative atom. And option B, this is a non-polar double bond, and first option is the symmetric alkene, this is symmetric, and when this is also non-polar double bond, and second option is the key displacement of pi bond, that means second option is the asymmetric displacement, asymmetric alkene or alkyne is the second option. So all the statements are true. Question 8. Select the correct statement from the following options. Conjugate effect is stronger than minus A effect. Option B. Conjugate effect is weaker than minus I effect. Option C. Conjugate effect is same as minus E effect. None of the mentioned. Choose the correct statement about conjugate effect and inductive effect. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option A, that is conjugate effect is stronger than minus E effect, that is resonance effect is more stronger than inductive effect, that means A is true. Question 9. Electromeric effect occurs in which types of compounds? Electromeric effect occurs in which types of compounds? Saturated compounds, unsaturated compounds, cyclic compounds, or acyclic compounds? In which types of compounds electromeric effect occurs? Choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option B, that is unsaturated compounds. See, this is a pi bond is there, so this is a unsaturated compound and electromagnetic effect occurs in this pi bond. Question 10. The positively charged and electron deficient compound which have a tendency to form a bond by accepting the electron pair is known as electrophiles, nucleophiles, homophiles, or all of the mentioned. I am repeating the question. The positively charged and electron deficient compounds which have a tendency to form a bond by accepting the electron pair is known as electrophile, nucleophile, homophile, or all the mentioned. Choose the correct one. We are now moving to check the answer key, and the right option is option A, that is electrophiles. See, in this example, nucleophile attacks to the positively charged carbon and a bond formation occur, and so this positively charged species is known as electrophiles. Question 11. Which of the following is an example of a Lewis base? ZnCl2, BF3, NH3, AbCl2. Among these four options, which one is the Lewis base? Choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option C, that is ammonia is the Lewis base, because here nitrogen has a lone pair of electrons which it can donate to the another one, so it is a Lewis base. See the structure, lone pair is there which can be movable to another. Question 12. Which of the following is an incorrect statement about nucleophiles? Which of the following is an incorrect statement about nucleophiles? Option A, they are electron rich. Option B, they possess an empty orbital to receive the electron pair. Option C, they attack electron deficient centers. Option D, examples are OH minus, NH3, H2O, etc. Among these four statements, which is wrong, which is incorrect about nucleophiles? Choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option B, that is nucleophiles possess an empty orbitals to receive the electron pair. This is a wrong statement. They have filled orbitals. See, in this example, lone pair of electrons, that means filled orbitals. Question 13. Find the correct statement about Lewis acid and Lewis base. Find the correct statement about Lewis acid and Lewis base. Option A, Lewis acids are the example of electrophilic reagent, and Lewis bases are the example of nucleophilic reagents. Option B, Lewis acids are the example of nucleophilic reagent, and Lewis bases are the example of electrophilic reagents. Option C, both Lewis acid and Lewis base acts as electrophilic reagents. Option D, both acts as a nucleophilic reagents. Find the correct statement among these four options. Choose the right one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option A, that is Lewis acids are the example of electrophilic reagent, and Lewis bases are the example of nucleophilic reagent. This is the correct statement. See, BF3 is Lewis acid, so it can act as a electrophile, and NH3 is Lewis base, so it can act as a nucleophile. Question 14. Those groups which are electron repelling and have lesser electron attracting power than hydrogen, they show plus E effect, minus E effect, minus I effect, or plus I effect. I am repeating the question. Those groups which are electron repelling and have lesser electron attracting power than hydrogen, they shows plus E or minus E, or minus I or plus I. Choose the correct one. We are now moving to check the answer key, and the right option is option C, D, that is plus I effect, which are electron repelling. See, all these methyl groups are electron repelling, that means they are electron donating group, so this shows plus I effect. They donate the sigma bond electrons. Question 15. Electromeric effect is considered along with the which types of effects? Inductive effect, mesomeric effect, resonance effect, or inductomeric effect? Electromeric effect is considered along with which types of effects? Inductive, mesomeric, resonance, or inductomeric? Choose the correct one. We are now moving to check the answer key, and the right option is option A, that is inductive effect. Both electromeric and inductive effect involves transmission of or displacement of electrons. Question 16. Select the false statement about inductomeric effect. Select the false statement about inductomeric effect. Option A, it is a temporary effect. Option B, it enhances the inductive effect. Option C, it accounts only in presence of a reagent. Option D, it operates on pi bonds. Choose the false statement about inductomeric effect. Temporary effect, or it enhances the inductive effect, or it accounts only in presence of a reagent, or it operates in pi bonds. Choose the right answer. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option D, that is it operates on pi bonds. Basically, inductomeric effect operates on sigma bonds. See in this example, the CCl sigma bonds, and OH minus attacks Nt to the CCl bond, and inductomeric effect occurs on CCl sigma bond. Question 17. Choose the wrong statement about electromeric effect and inductomeric effect. Among these four statements, which one is wrong about electromeric and inductomeric? Option A, both are temporary effect. Option B, both involves transmission of pi electrons. Option C, both operates in presence of attacking reagent. Option D, both enhances temporary inductive effect. Choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option B, that is both involves transmission of pi electrons. This is wrong because one involves sigma bond and one involves pi bond. Electromeric effect involves pi electrons and inductomeric effect involves sigma electrons displacement. Question 18. Field effect operates through which types of mentioned below? Field effect operates through which of the mentioned below? Sigma or pi bond? Option B, space. Option C, solvent. Option D, both B and C. Among the four options, through which the field effect operates, choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option D, that is both through space or solvent. See in this example, the electron displacement occurs through space, or if solvent molecules are there, then transmission may occur through the solvent molecule. Question 19. The given compound shows 2 carbonyl stretching due to which effect? The given compound shows 2 carbonyl stretching due to the which effect? Inductive, field, electromeric effect, or inductomeric effect? Choose the correct statement. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option B, that is due to the field effect. See, due to this field effect, electron displacement occur and it gives 2 rotational isomer, and so gives 2 carbonyl peaks in IR spectrum. Question 20. Which one of the following are not time variable effect? Which one of the following are not time variable effect? Field effect, or inductive effect, or inductomeric effect, or electromeric effect? Which one is not time variable effect? Choose the correct one. We are now going to check the answer key, and the right option is option B, that is inductive effect is a not time variable effect, it is a permanent effect. Now calculate your performance. Each question carry 3 points. Negative attempt means -1, unattempt equal 0. So calculate your performance, and in our next tutorial we will discuss about resonance and mesomeric effect. And thank you for being with us. Thank you very much.